This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Glendep Solution is a topical treatment designed for the management of vitiligo. It aims to restore skin pigmentation and improve skin appearance. Indications and uses. This topical solution is indicated for adults suffering from vitiligo, a condition that causes loss of skin color in patches. It helps in re-pigmenting the affected areas by promoting the migration of melanocytes, the cells responsible for producing melanin, thus restoring the natural color of the skin. How it works. The active ingredient, decapeptide, works as a re-pigmenting agent by inducing the migration of melanocytes to the depigmented skin areas, thereby correcting the discoloration caused by vitiligo. Directions for use. Apply the solution as advised by your physician. Start by cleaning and drying the affected areas of the skin. Then, gently apply a thin layer of the solution. It is recommended to apply it 2 hours before bedtime and expose the treated areas to sunlight for about 10 to 15 minutes the following morning. The duration of treatment and dosage should be determined by a healthcare provider based on individual needs. Possible side effects. While generally well tolerated, the solution may cause mild skin redness or itching at the application site in some individuals. Precautions and warnings. It is important to consult a doctor before using this solution if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any existing medical conditions. Additionally, avoid using it if you have a known allergy to decapeptide. Caution is advised when used in elderly patients, and a doctor should be consulted regarding its use in children and adolescents. FAQs. 1. What is Glendep Solution used for? It is used for managing vitiligo. 2. How should I apply it? Clean the affected area, apply a thin layer, and expose it to sunlight. 3. When can I expect results? Improvements can be seen in 2 to 4 weeks with consistent use. 4. Is it safe to use? Yes, when used under medical supervision. 5. Can it be used during pregnancy? Consult your doctor due to limited evidence. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is valuable to us.